How to delete your YouTube account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your YouTube account. Now you can do so from your device settings. First you can head into your Google account settings option. However, if you wanna, I'll show you the easier way. So you wanna simply open up YouTube, right? Your account will be logged in here. You wanna tap on profile icon on your YouTube. Basically it's at the bottom right corner. It might be at the top right as well, depending on the version you use. Then you can see on the screen there my YouTube channel there, name, and you can see switch account option, and you can see Google account option. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, what you want to do is you can simply tap on a particular YouTube account associated with the Google account, the particular Google account that is associated with your YouTube account that you wish to delete. Suppose you want to delete a YouTube account from this particular account here, so I'll just tap on it here. So first, remember, I'll do it again for you. First you want to open it up and then tap on a particular account that you wish to delete your YouTube account of. So in my case it's this account here. So you want to head into data and privacy, and this option, this Google account option here, you want to head into data and privacy, scroll down, and here you want to scroll down and you want to tap on the option that says data from apps and services that you use. You can see you want to see there is the YouTube option, or you can simply tap on content saved from Google services as well, and then the list of options will appear. And you can see the download your data option and delete a service option. You want to tap on delete a service option here, and then tap on delete a Google service option again. And once you do so, you can see YouTube here. You want to tap on the trash icon that you can see beside YouTube, and it should take you to next page. And you can see if you want to hide your channel or you want to permanently delete your content, basically means deleting your channel and all its history. You want to tap on it. You want to confirm, and you can see the pop-up what will be deleted, your my subscriptions and comments and all. It's showing up. You want to simply tap and delete my content and your channel will be deleted permanently. So this way you can delete your YouTube account. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.